Okay, so I'm gonna take you on a little tour of the inside of the bus. Start cleaning it out today. There's a bunch of mouse and rat droppings. So it's all gonna get taken out, vacuumed out, probably pressure washed, then dried so it doesn't rust. Yeah. Alright, so here it is after taking everything out and vacuuming it. You can see it's really solid. There's a couple of holes drilled for some existing wires they had. Literally the only rot is right there. There's a little bit there on the seam that goes all the way over, but this is a survivor. This thing's solid. Okay, next I'm going to take these 70s mobile home panels off on the doors, on the back walls here. This is just old weather strip. Needs to get pulled out. You get the idea. But underneath is not rotted. It's still salvageable. Here goes the front section clean out. this? How's this little like mouse or gopher trap? Keep this. This is a VW handle, although this bus already has the handles. Check it out though. I think that's original. Steering wheel's original, buttons original, all the knobs original. The ashtray's not right, but that should be chrome. Clock's there. Look at it, even has the original like back paneling that went in the back of the parcel tray. Original screw terminal. All right, let's start taking all the stuff out. Kind of bummed the front floor mat was so brittle and hard it kind of just fell apart when I pulled it out, but look at this, all original sealing wax red paint. This is gonna clean up really nice. So there's a little bit of rot in the front floor. I got a couple AC holes. That'll get fixed by my buddy Dave, but man, usually these front floors are so rotted. My Gypsy was way far worse than this bus. Can't wait to start cleaning this up, show you all what it's gonna look like after. Couple more, looks like we got some rat's nests under the seats. Couple more little wasps' nests. Alright, so I vacuumed everything out. The front floor mat was too dry and cracked beyond salvaging. It just disintegrated. There's no way I could save it. I tried the best I could, but I gotta soap and water the seats. Probably eventually get the seats recovered because they're just funky. But yeah, and soap and water the inside of this to get all the stuck dust off. Sun glare sucks.